ESKO provides integrated solutions that drive profitability in the packaging and printing supply chain. This video provides a quick overview of these solutions and is intended as a high-level overview. This is ESKO's brand owner solution landscape. ESKO's Artios CAD is your home for creating and managing structural assets. Studio enables the visualization of all packaging throughout your artwork and packaging process. Dynamic Content features tools that reduce time and errors relating to copy content. Cape gives customers tools to more efficiently palletize products, effectively increasing your profits without the need to sell more products or raise your prices. The process is all held together, managed, and tracked by Web Center. Web Center is where the packaging and graphics projects live. It facilitates all the tasks relating to your projects and is proven to increase your speed to market. Let's start by showing how the packaging engineer uses Artios CAD and Web Center as part of your overall process. Artios CAD holds more than 80% of the market for all structural die line creation worldwide. Structural libraries allow engineers to choose the type of package from thousands of included standards. As little information as the length, width, and depth is needed in order to generate a production-ready die line. Fold angles are saved in a file to show a folded view in Artios CAD and in steps further down the process. Tools to add dimensions, bleed lines, and other information to the die line are highly specialized for the purpose of packaging, therefore are simple and fast to use. The files are then saved in a database where anyone with permissions can view, approve, or use the die line. All versions and history about the file are kept. Now a graphic designer can get the die line from within Adobe Illustrator using a connector to the database to make the workflow more seamless. Notice the designer can now see a live 3D preview as they are working with the graphics, giving more context to a flat view and potentially preventing costly errors. So we had the packaging engineer create a die line, and it was saved and tracked in Web Center. The graphic designer uses exclusively that file in their work. The process eliminated manual emails and enabled traceability in the process. The designer can immediately share the graphical 3D first look as a snapshot image perfect for a presentation, as a live 3D file on various devices, and of course online via the Web Center viewer. And it's not just single products that are able to be viewed like this. Side by side or even displays and palettes can be visualized. Additionally, you can bring your products into a virtual store for instant on-shelf presence feedback. These deliverables can be saved to Web Center by the graphic designer, where they are available for others who may need to see them in the process. All documents in Web Center, whether they are die lines, 3D visualizations, or graphics, can be found using configured Web Center browsers. Users can browse all of the metadata of a file, and since you decide what metadata to capture for each file, you configure the browser to suit your needs. Depending on the permissions you configure, users may be able to download the files for use, or you can start a new project with the results. To view a file, just click to open the graphic in a browser using our new generation of online viewers. You can annotate, compare, and approve files right in the viewer. After a project is started and a graphic is routed for approval, notified parties utilize the viewer, even on their mobile devices, to annotate and approve the file. Web Center automatically generates a comprehensive annotation report, helping to review and complete the requested changes. Project managers have a live, up-to-date view of all of their projects on a dashboard. The same dashboard can be accessed using iPads, letting you check status on the go. Now, let's switch gears and explore how ESKO helps with copy content. Did you know that 58% of all artwork errors are caused by incorrect copy? With ESKO tools, a graphic designer can designate existing content to be refreshed or an area on the file which text is needed. This file is uploaded to Web Center and routed to appropriate persons. These people have the ability to change the text in a controlled environment in which only content can be modified. The designer then links their graphics to Web Center to update the changes once they have been approved, eliminating copy and paste. Furthermore, the graphic designer can still style the text. He cannot change the content, however. It'll always be linked to the source of record. And through integration, it's also possible that that content is populated from an existing content management system instead of a person. In addition to content, templates can be set up for regions to use approved artwork to create their own regional variants with specified guidelines. Each tool plays into the overall strategy to reduce human touchpoints, automate non-value-added work, and eliminate label errors. Thanks for watching this short video on our innovative solutions for your packaging and graphics workflows.